So right now, the traffic crash investigation is over, okay? Right now I'm starting a different investigation. It's criminal and it's for DUI, okay? So before I ask you any questions, I'm required to review your rights. Okay, so I'm going to need you to listen to me. If you have any questions after, you can ask me. But just listen to what I'm going to read to you, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and having present while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any question.
At 18, life is full of first lessons. Some come gently, while others hit hard. Today, one teenager learned a lesson the harsh way. With the sun high and arrogance even higher, she turned the road into a stage for reckless decisions. Fueled by lingering alcohol and blind confidence, she believed she could outmaneuver the rules. But reality doesn't play favorites, and this wake-up call came with no mercy. Don't miss this unforgettable story and make sure to subscribe to Cop's Dream to witness more moments where youthful recklessness meets the unyielding force of justice. At 6 p.m. on Saturday, May 20th, 2023, officers were dispatched to the scene of a car crash involving a utility pole. Upon arrival, they found 18-year-old Isabella, who claimed mechanical issues caused her car to lose control.
At 6 p.m. on a Saturday, officers responded to a vehicle crash involving a pole. These are the events that followed.
Automatic. And the car keeps, like, you know what it feels, I mean, it's an old car, but you know when the car starts shaking buffers? Or, it's like a phone? No, it's like a phone, so I just treat it like a phone, but...
You were coming this way, and then it started shaking, and then how did we end up here?
I hit, so the steering wheel was shaking, and so I tried to, like, turn and shake, because if the... Okay, let's, like, try to get a hold of this, and then it, like, tried to, like, turn, and then I was trying to get a hold of it, and then it was... And then we were here. But this has happened a lot of times. I told some officer, why I look really ugly about that? Because you're taking pictures of me.
Yeah, they're not going to go on Facebook or anything.
Am I not going to have a mugshot or something?
So,
I
I
know.
understand you're upset, but you need to listen to me.
Of course I'm upset. I'm upset at the freaking auto body shop that messed up my car.
Okay, and
Is there any way that I can get my insurance to, like, have some justice here?
well,
Like,
you're going to have to contact the insurance, for sure. Do you have the paperwork for the car? Do you have the
yes,
registration?
of course.
Okay, so you said the car is registered to you.
It's registered to my parents. I'm just turned 18 in November.
Okay, do you have a registration? Is that
I mean, I don't know which one it is, but it should be in there.
So, just one insurance over here. Okay, I'll hold on to that for now. Okay, listen, Isabella. Come. So, I understand. I think I understand what happened. Okay, so there's gonna be a traffic crash.
This has
report.
happened before.
Okay,
Though.
can you listen to me? Did you crash before?
No, but this steering, like, I brought it to the auto shop for this exact issue.
Okay. And like I said, there's gonna be and tell them exactly what happened, and then we'll take it from there. Okay. So.
As officers questioned her, they noted slurred speech and the smell of alcohol. Her defensive demeanor and erratic behavior hinted at something more than a mechanical failure. Initially, Isabella denied drinking, but later admitted to having one or two drinks at a marina.
Isabella, I need you to focus.
I'm sorry.
So right now, the traffic crash investigation is over, okay? Right now I'm starting a different investigation. It's criminal and it's for DUI, okay? So before I ask you any questions, I'm required to review your rights, okay? So I'm going to need you to listen to me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and having present while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained?
Yes.
Thank you. Have you asked any law enforcement officer to...
No, but I want to call my uncle.
Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
No, I want to talk to my uncle. I want to talk to my mother. I want to talk to everyone.
Okay, but what we're doing now It's a criminal DUI investigation. And in order for me to figure out what's going on and if you've been driving under the influence, to know if you're willing to answer them or if you're invoking your rights and you don't want to answer them.
I don't know what to do. Can I just take a minute?
You're 18, correct?
Yes,
okay,
I'm
so
18.
you're
No,
an adult?
I'm an adult. Can I just take a minute?
Take a minute. All I need to do is ask you a few questions, okay? So you let me know if you're okay with that or not.
I know. Can I call my mom?
You cannot right now. Not bad. You're an adult and you need to do this on your own.
All 70. Can I report?
I'm just a little scared.
Under Illinois Statute 625I LCS 5/1-1501, operating a vehicle with a blood alcohol concentration BAC of 0.08% or higher constitutes a serious offense. For a first-time DUI offense, penalties include up to 1 year in jail, fines of up to $2,500, a mandatory license suspension of at least 6 months, and completion of a DUI education program. Offenders may also be required to attend a victim impact panel to understand the consequences of impaired driving.
This has never happened to me before. That's why I'm scared.
Okay, Isabella, I cannot really talk to you unless you tell me you're okay with it.
Okay, can I just have like 10 more seconds?
Okay.
This is really scary.
I understand.
Are you unlocked? He's gonna come get it.
I have a bouquet of flowers. Just make sure they don't tip over.
Don't sit on the floor.
So what, we're talking or not?
We're talking.
Okay. So be honest with me. How much did you drink?
I didn't really have much to drink. My friends were all drinking around me.
So how much you have?
Like a high noon.
High noon, like those soda, what is it?
But I had them
Spiked soda.
4 hours ago.
So did you have them 4 hours ago or 1? 4 hours.
Like 2 4 hours ago.
2 4 hours ago. Okay. Feel under the influence right now?
No, I'm just scared.
Okay, it's understandable. You're safe with us. You're not injured. The rescue checked you out. You just gotta get through this, okay? And right now I'm under the influence of alcohol or drugs to the extent that it impairs you and your faculties to safely operate vehicle. So I'm asking, will you submit to the voluntary field sobriety exercises?
Is that
It's
like
three
line
simple.
walking?
Yeah, it's 3 simple
Sure.
exercises.
Do whatever.
Okay, fine. Do you wanna get off this hold?
Do whatever you want.
So can you face it? Okay. So 3 questions about your health.
I don't need allergic to anything. I have no surgeries. I have
Diabetes.
no pills. I have no.
Do you take insulin? Do you have anything with your eyes? Blindness in your eyeglass? Anything I should know about?
No,
Physically?
none other than I'm crying.
Okay, no, that's understandable. You're upset. So your eyes. Okay. So, put your feet together, hands at your side, keep your head still, and arms on your side. Okay? Do you see where my index finger touches the tip of my pen? Can you touch it with your right index finger?
When informed that she was being investigated for DUI, Isabella became visibly anxious and questioned her rights. She was read her Manda rights and informed that refusing a breathalyzer test would result in an automatic license suspension for 1 year under Illinois Statute 625 ILCS 5/1-50.1.41 4 months.4. For 12 weeks, the suspension extends to 18 months. For prior refusals, the suspension extends to 18 months. Refusal to comply may also be used as evidence against the individual in court.
Okay, so I'm going to call that a stimulus. You can put your name now. So stay in this position until I tell you what to do with it. Don't break the position, okay? So I'm going to call this a stimulus. So I need you to follow the stimulus with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand these instructions? You can blink. There's nothing wrong with blinking. I don't want you to start crying anymore. But just don't move your head. Just follow them with your eyes only. Ready? Don't move your head. So you're getting ahead of my pen. I need you to look here and just keep following with your eyes. Keep your heads down on the side. Okay? Do you want to wait till they leave?
Yeah.
Let's start them.
Oh my god.
it's gonna get towed. Right here, don't move your head. Do not break the eye contact with that.
Okay.
Look in here. It's almost over. I know it's over.
I'll pass whatever you want me to pass. I just want whoever messed up my car, whoever didn't fix my car, to go to jail.
Again, you can deal with that.
Okay, well, I'll walk whatever line you want me to
let's
walk.
focus on this, okay? Alright.
Because this has happened. This has happened twice.
Can you see the sign?
Yeah. Can I go barefoot?
Yeah. Do you agree it's pretty straight? There's not really much debris.
I mean, if you want me to go in two straight lines.
Wait, you gotta do this.
Okay.
Pay
foot to
attention.
foot?
We'll just walk in.
Foot to foot.
Just pay attention to her
I'm gonna explain
instructions.
I'm gonna show you exactly what I need you
Okay.
to do, and then you can start. Okay.
Okay. And
So-
if I pass this, whoever messed up my car goes to jail, right?
For what?
You'll investigate whoever checked out my car before this, right?
Okay, Isabel, we are not investigating whoever checked out your car right now. Okay? Right now, Officer Bernatova is nothing to do with who fixed your car or who did work on your car. Okay? That's all civil. And that's something that you can go and look into after the fact, okay? But right now, this is what we're dealing with,
Okay.
okay?
You with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you see the
During field sobriety tests, Isabella struggled to follow instructions, losing balance during both the one-leg stand and the heel-to-two walk. Officers determined that she was impaired and placed her under arrest for DUI. Additionally, Isabella was cited for causing property damage by crashing into the utility pole.
line? Can you put your left foot on the line? And put the right foot in front of it with the heel touching the toe right in front of it. Right in front of it. Okay.
Like
Like that.
I'm gonna put my shoes on because
Whatever's
I'm gonna
more
step on my toes.
Whatever's more comfortable. Alright, so left foot on the line. Right foot in front of it, heel touching the toe. Arms down your side. Look at me. No. I need you to do what I'm telling you.
Okay.
So left foot on the line. Right foot on the line. The exercise until I tell you to do so. Do you understand?
I understand.
You just said you understand, but I told you to stay in the position. So I need you to stay in this position.
I understand.
Okay? So stay in this position and this position. Do you understand? Do not start until I tell you to start. Understood? Okay. So when I tell you to start, I need you to take 9. Just listen to all finish the instructions, and then if you have any questions that I can talk about, you can ask me. Okay? You need to stay in the position. Left foot in front of the right foot in front of the left foot. Right in front of it. You kind of have it a little like this, and like this. Perfect. Arms down your side. So again, when I tell you, and you're gonna count down your steps loud. So it's gonna look like this. Left foot on the line, right foot on the line. So I'm gonna start. Okay. Think it. I'm gonna go. 1, 2, back foot, and take a series of small steps to turn around exactly like this.
Will you pivot?
Yes, exactly.
Yes, but not
But like
that.
No.
You gotta
like
take
a,
the series.
like a basketball pivot. 1, 2.
I don't know what that is, but let's say it looks exactly like this. So this is my 9th step, right?
Can I? see
I'll
an
take
example?
I'll take the questions before we start.
No.
Is everything clear?
Understandable.
Is there anything physically that would prevent you from doing this? Okay, now go ahead and start. Okay. So that one's done, and then we just have one more. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one is called one leg stand. So that's literally what it is. Just don't do anything.
Oh.
But I'll explain it to you. So stand with your feet together, like with the I think. Arms down your side. And start.
If you need me to hold, I can literally hold whatever you want. I can hold.
I need you to do exactly what I'm asking.
Okay.
So again, stand like that and listen to my instructions and do not start until I tell you to. Do you understand these instructions? Okay. So when I tell you to begin, I want you to raise one leg high of the solar cannon. You're gonna keep that raised foot level to the ground, both legs straight, with
Like this?
Listen, with both arms at your side.
Like a tree?
You're gonna look at the elevated foot and you're gonna count loud in the following manner. I tell you to stop. Do you understand so far?
I understand.
Okay, so listen, this is exactly what it looks like. Let's say I decide to pick my right foot. So I'm gonna go 1001, 1002, 1002, and so forth until I tell you to stop.
All right.
Any questions?
Nope.
Let me know when you're ready. This violated Illinois Statute 625 ILCS 5/11503, which criminalizes reckless driving that results in property damage. Penalties for such violations include fines of up to $2,500 and, in severe cases, jail time of up to 6 months.
Don't start yet. Just tell me when you're ready. And don't do that. You need to keep your arms down your side, okay? And do not keep them off of your body. Keep them down, like this. Literally, if you're like standing like a soldier, just like that.
Okay, one.
Now you are having your hands like this, and you okay. So don't start yet.
It's very specific. Yes. Let us know when you're ready.
Do you want me to show it to you again?
Well, I'm not good at balance, but I will do my best.
Okay, that's all we want.
2, 3,
4. Okay. Turn around. Let's see what's behind there. You're under arrest for driving under the influence. When we get to jail, there's gonna be a breath test machine, so you will be able to provide the sample of your breath to determine the alcohol level. Okay? So you can prove us you're not over the legal limit if that's something you believe. Do you understand?
Yep.
Will you take the breath test? Yes. It's funny how everybody's worried about that one.
How much is my bill?
Oh, yeah. Let's look over to the side. Raise your feet.
They're doing one suit.
I'm gonna pitch you down real quick. I know you just put your clothes on in front of us, but
I
still
was
gotta do it.
literally naked in front of me.
What's that? And
It's
I
my
also
robe.
listen, Isabella. I gotta tell you, if there's anything illegal on you anywhere on your body that you're gonna
there's
introduce to my
not.
car or
Oh,
to
just
jail, you're gonna be charged with
Isabella,
disorderly.
listen,
Okay?
listen.
I'm
That's our
aware.
biggest issue here today.
I don't
okay?
have
Just
anything
listen.
illegal on me.
Okay.
He's really mad at me.
Isabella, I know this seems like it's the worst thing in the world. Listen. Take it as a lesson learned and be thankful that you did not kill yourself or anyone else, okay?
Yes.
That is the most important thing. All of this, you can get past.
No.
You can.
I'm going to call. Is there no one worse you could arrest?
Get to pick and choose, girl. Okay, so listen to me. All we're gonna do right now is literally sit here for 20 minutes, okay?
If we sit here for 20 minutes, I will sit here, but after that, I want a lawyer. And
Asking
I won't
for
get
a
charged
lawyer?
for anything right now.
Okay, so right now we're getting through the steps of this investigation, okay? The breath test is not a part of it. You don't get a lawyer for that. I'm gonna go over all the options with you, but you don't get a lawyer for that. You get a lawyer for the court and like discuss with him whatever is gonna happen next.
I won't because I will break out. I'll tell you.
Alright. So here are some questions I know I already asked you, but I have to ask you again. So are you ill?
No, I'm not ill.
Are you wearing dentures, false teeth, partial plate, anything like substances in your mouth at this time, like chewing gum, tobacco, coins, anything like that? No. Will you take the breath test?
Not without a lawyer present.
So again, for the breath test, you don't get a lawyer. You have to make a decision on your own. Will you touch alcohols in you? Or you can say no. When you say no, there is this part that I gotta read to you so you understand what's gonna happen next. Do you want me to read it to you?
Can I make a choice after you read it to me?
Yeah, sure.
At the station, officers administered a breathalyzer test despite Isabella's initial hesitation. She eventually provided 2 samples which showed BAC levels of 0.158 and 0.167, double the legal limit. These results substantiated the DUI charge and escalated the severity of her case. According to Illinois Statute 6125 ILCS 5/1150, a BAC exceeding 0.16% is categorized as an aggravated DUI, potentially subjecting offenders to harsher penalties, such as mandatory installation of an ignition interlock device for a minimum of 12 months, fines up to $2,500, and mandatory jail time for repeat offenses.
No, that's all right. Sit. You sit right here.
People shooting out Chicago. Well, I hope you know there's bigger fish to fry.
I do.
I have a lawyer. I'm gonna have a judge.
Okay. You have your rights to all of that. And you can argue your case.
Trust me, I will have a case.
Okay.
When I do, I will have this whole court system sued. And they're okay with it. You want to know why?
I don't think anybody's okay with that.
Yes, they are.
Who is?
Chicago? Have you ever
Thank God we're not there.
have you ever been a cop in Chicago?
Nope.
I've been in Chicago.
I have no.
You can't convict someone because it's racist. As a person, as a white person, it's racist.
No.
My phone call.
When we're done with this, you gotta go and meet the deputies, you gotta see the nurse, and then when I'm done with my report, that's when you can make your phone call.
Are the nurses gonna tell you that I'm okay?
Yeah, but they can see everybody. I'm sure you're okay.
You wipe my nose?
You're gonna have to wait till we're done with this. Busy for that.
So, I'm gonna be in the system forever.
You're gonna be what?
I'm gonna be in this system forever.
You just told me you're not getting convicted.
I know, but I don't know what's going on. I don't have a lawyer. Until I have a lawyer, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. But all I know is that your highlights are really nice.
Ooh, thank you. I was just thinking they're way overdue.
They are, but I know you have a good color person.
What happened?
I'm a legit banana.
You're what?
I've never dyed my hair.
That's probably smart.
Yeah, I was like, well, until I move up north, bless you. I'm accepted. What am I supposed to do?
I don't think that's.
I'm in a jail. I'm in a jail cell. There's cabinets with alphabetical coding that probably isn't that good because I didn't do it, but
I don't know what's in those.
still, if you need an intern, I would love to invite, but I would really be a great intern. Even though I've insulted your highlights, I'm really sorry.
Don't worry about it. I've heard worse.
I can give you a really good color person.
Michelle?
Yep. She gets it done. She does my trims.
Oh, you're talking about the hair person. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And if you need someone to color code these cabinets, which are obviously overdue.
Well, I don't think they care about being pretty here.
Obviously, they let people out who... It's funny, you guys let rapists run free, but...
I don't let anybody free, as you can see.
That's obviously why I'm still in here with my shoes and my... I'm surprised.
Isabella's despair became evident as she grasped the seriousness of her situation. She expressed fears of jail time and how this arrest might jeopardize her college aspirations. Officers reassured her that the procedure was standard and aimed at ensuring public safety.
But since I'm in here, can I bounce?
Go.
It's been really hard. It's a big woman. Sometimes.
It has its upside and downside.
It does. You wanna know what's the worst? No matter how hard you work, the men are always on top.
That's not true anymore. You said your mom, your family is influential, right? Like they have, so your mom has a good job.
It's not that I'm not gonna get out of here. It's that I will always be the kid. I'm the firstborn grandchild. If I get out of here, even if I don't, it doesn't matter.
Well, you're getting out of here.
Obviously, but it doesn't matter.
So what matters?
What matters is the representation I'm setting for my younger cousins. I didn't go away. I was supposed to leave.
Would you like to provide your breath sample? Now is the time.
My breath sample?
Yes. You want to change your mind and take the breath test, yes or no? We have the time windows. We already talked about everything, so you gotta tell me yes or no.
Sure.
You will
Yes.
take the breath test? Okay.
Yeah.
So I need you to take a good breath in. Okay, and I'm gonna put this mouthpiece in your mouth and provide a continuous breath out, like blowing, like it's like blowing up a balloon. Okay, so you're gonna go like for a very long time.
Can I feel my arms? Can I like
Yeah.
by my side?
You can get comfortable. Take a breath in and blow into this.
Alright, let me know after this. Okay, now we're your pupil.
Okay, we're running out of time.
Okay.
Keep going. Keep, no. You put the whole thing in your mouth. Not the whole, yeah, this part. Put it all in your mouth. And keep blowing on. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep more. More. Perfect. Just keep going. You can't stop. You keep going. Keep going. The machine's doing beep, and we need that for at least like 8 seconds.
Okay.
So again, take a good breath in, and don't stop. Okay.
Hold on. That's hard. I'm gonna be
Yes.
diving.
Go ahead. Okay, stop. Alright, so we gotta do this one more time, okay? Because the machine needs 2 of those for it to be valid. Start this, and I'm gonna break out another one.
Oh god.
So it's super new. We just gotta do it one more time, and then we're done. So you're doing great, but what I need you to do, I'll show it to you on this one.
I need to
Keep taking breaks, the machine's gonna run out of time and it's not gonna be valid. So you gotta take a good breath in and go like this. You can't anymore until you feel like you're gonna pass out. Don't pass out, but just keep going until like you don't have any breath left in you.
Okay.
That's what the machine needs to do. You didn't do bad, you did fine, you went through, but it's pretty sensitive like that. So I'll give you a new one, don't worry.
Driving on a suspended license is a violation of Illinois Statute 6125 ILCS 5/6 303, which carries penalties ranging from fines of $500 to $2,500 and up to 364 days in jail, as well as an extension of the suspension period. Isabella was formally charged with driving under the influence (DUI), driving with a suspended license, property damage. Her court date was set for June 2nd, and she was released after processing. And
I'd be in jail.
Yes,
Why?
because you already got arrested. And everything's gonna go to court, but because you've been arrested, we don't unarrest
Do
people.
I look like jail material?
No, but most people don't. You just made a bad decision, that's all. But you are one now, and you'll be fine.
Too bad we're not in Europe.
What's that?
I said too bad we're not in Europe.
Too bad you're not in Europe. You
Yeah.
can still go to Europe. It's just it matters. It all matters because it's all.
It doesn't.
Don't touch your face.
Oh, sorry.
Just give me 5 more minutes of that, and then you can do
you
whatever
can
you
touch
want.
my sula. I don't want it.
What's that?
Sweaty upper lip.
Sweaty on your lip?
Sweaty upper lip.
Okay.
Sula.
Like I said, I'll give you a napkin, you can wipe your face and do whatever you need to. We just gotta like
Do you
this.
face wash?
I
A hairbrush?
No. They might have one.
Conditioner?
Okay, ready? One more time. Conditioner.
Conditioner? Oh, what about leave-in conditioner?
I don't have that and I don't know if they do. But let's do this one more time then, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
You don't have to touch it, just put it in your mouth. Okay, we need a longer sample, so take a good breath in, not like a super deep one. Just relax. Take a good breath in and take it all out on one time. Come on, time is running out. Okay? You're fine. You don't need to do that. Okay.
People like marijuana people, I'm sure they do way better than me.
Why?
Well,
Because they have bigger lungs?
they know their lungs.
Well, that's good you don't smoke marijuana, because that makes people...
I literally can't. I'm so sorry.
You tried?
I tried. I'm literally like... I like ran out. There's no more space.
Yeah. Oh.
Did you not see me? I was like...
I saw you try very hard, but
I
I
was-
think you were overthinking it a lot.
Well, I've never done one of these.
I understand, and like I said, everybody who's going through this for the first time doesn't, and not everybody's able to do it. So, yeah, I know, for me too, trust me.
My lungs just don't have that capacity. I've been made fun of.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you're not a very good diver and stuff?
No, I'm a swimmer actually. I'm on the swim team. And
Oh.
yeah, they're all like, you can't hold your breath. I'm like, no. I'm so sorry. Oh.
That's something you can like practice and get better at if that's what you want. I mean,
No.
doesn't sound like that's what you want to be in life, so.
No. I wanted to be a salesperson.
You can be a salesperson.
No.
I don't know. Yes, it did. Okay. So let's go first. Go to the first chair, please. Where we were before. You know the first chair?
Oh. Can you go coffee?
No. There's no need for that. Not unless you start like beating me up or something.
Oh, trust me.
Have a seat.
Girl, I stopped taking boxing like 2 years ago.
Oh, well, but you did take some classes, so you can still beat me up, probably.
Probably not. You could definitely do more push-ups.
Oh. So, let me go over these results with you. I just gotta write down on time. It's... Okay. So, these are the results of your breath test. Okay, you can come
I
closer
come
if you want. Yeah.
I'm not gonna beat you up.
I'm not scared. Come
Do more
closer.
push-ups on you.
So you provided 2 valid breath samples. First one was 0.158. The second one was 0.167. So they're both within the margin of error, so they're valid. The presumptuous legal limit that people...
0.08.
Yes. So this is pretty much double that. Understand?
This case serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of impaired driving and the significant consequences it carries, particularly for young drivers. Isabella's actions resulted in property damage, legal penalties, and personal turmoil, emphasizing the importance of responsibility behind the wheel. Let this be a cautionary tale. No excuse can shield you from the law. That wraps up today's episode. What do you think about Isabella's conduct? Let us know in the comments. If this one caught your attention, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another story. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one on Cop's Dream.